In this video, I'll show you how to connect your iPhone or iPad to your Beats Solo 4. So let's get started right away. First thing we need to do is to make sure that the Bluetooth is actually turned on your device, so on your iPhone. To do so, simply drag down from the top right corner and you see there's the Bluetooth icon right there. Make sure it's in blue. If not, simply click on it to turn it on. Okay, once this is done, you can leave your phone aside and we need to put your Beats Solo 4 into pairing mode. And to do so, it's very easy. You need to find the right side. So how do you do this? You see over here, it says left ear. I know maybe it's hard to see, but it says left ear, and over here, it won't say anything. So on the side where it does not say anything, it simply means that it's on the right side. So under the right side, you're going to find a very small button, and we'll need to keep this button pressed a few seconds until the light that is located right over here starts blinking. This can take up to 5 seconds. So do not release that button until the light is blinking. Let's do it together. I'm keeping press. Okay, it's blinking, has been faster than I thought. So now I can release the button until I see, once I see this light flashing like that. Set aside these beats, take your iPhone, and if you bring it closer to the headphones, you're gonna get this message appearing down below. If you see it, perfect. Simply press connect and you'll be good to go, nothing else to do. But what if you do not get this message down below? We will need to do the pairing manually. Let me close this. So let's say you don't see it. We need to go into the Bluetooth settings. So press the settings icon on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings menu, we're going to go down and select Bluetooth over here. Tap on it. Again, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and we'll need to go down this list under here where you see other devices. And here you should see your Beats Solo 4. Maybe they will have a name before if they have been paired with another device previously. But if it's the first time you got them out of the box, it will simply say Beats Solo 4. Click on them. And they will be added to the list of connected Bluetooth devices right over here. They're over here for in my case. And they will say connected. Now you can click the I button on the right side and you'll have more information about your Beats Solo 4, including how much battery is left. Mine are dead, so this is why it's at 0. But you can also change the name of your headphones if you're not happy with the one that your phone gave. You see, you can edit the actual name. You can go back. You can set up Find My in case you lose them, and you also have other options. If you do not want to use them anymore with your iPhone forever, let's say you want to resell them, or maybe you have an issue and you want to start fresh to set them up as they were new, well, you need to click on Forget this device. This will completely delete them from your iPhone and you'll need to repair them the same way we just did if you want to use them in the future. If you click Disconnect, it will simply mean that they'll disconnect, but after you turn them back on, the next time you want to use them, they will reconnect together automatically. So these are the two differences between these two options. But this is it. This is how you connect your Beats Solo 4 with your iPhone device. If you found this video useful, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.